Hello and welcome to this tutorial on databases. This is just a very quick introduction to what a database actually is. This should kind of show you how we can see databases on the web and how we can think about databases. So essentially, a database is just a collection of tables, and inside those tables is a collection of data. So when it comes down to it, a database essentially is a collection of data. And often that data is related to other pieces of data in some way. The example that I want to show you of a really complex database is the New Zealand trading website TradeMe, much like eBay in the United States or around the world. And essentially TradeMe is a website that sits on top of a very big database. And inside that database there are things like member details, like their phone numbers and their names and their addresses. There are things like items for sale, like couches, like a fridge, and like a MacBook Pro. And then related to the data here, say about the MacBook Pro, we have information about what the reserve price is, when the auction will close, and what location that auction is in. So a database just helps us to collect all this data together and to place it into one spot. We're going to be learning about how to structure our databases, how to organize them into several tables, and we're going to learn about how to structure our data in such a way that is the most efficient possible. To begin with, we'll be using an example of a database prepared by a really small cafe. This cafe has 5 customers, Bob Jones down to Ellie Fitzgerald, and those customers have drinks. So Bob Jones has a long black, and Bob Jones also has an OJ or an orange juice, and Bob Jones also has a Coke. So we do have a collection of data here. It's not stored in the most efficient manner, but we're going to learn about how to change the structure of this database to make this more efficient.